Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon FriendFish. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to my series on teaching you how to draw a cartoon. Today's episode is going to be teaching you how to draw one of my cartoon FriendFish from my FriendFish series. Alright, so the first thing, as always, as I share, we're going to be building the basic foundation of the character, or in this case, the fish. He is going to be a real simple one because it's just a flat version. This is a standard stuff that I like to show a lot of my beginning drawing classes when I go to elementary school, or if I teach at Comic-Cons and places that I've taught in the past for many years. I like to teach them how to draw one of my FriendFish just because it's flat and it's easy to understand the basic structure of a fish. But let's get started with the little study, what we're doing right now. As you can see, I build the body. I started to build the face, where the eyes are, the mouth is, and the eyes, and I'm putting the eyebrow there and one of the fins. And as I'm sketching it, this is just a rough sketch. It's not a final drawing in any way. It's just to get your idea out. In this case, it's just taking one of my little characters that I have created, many of them, for my series from FriendFish. And I'm just creating the basic shapes right now and giving you where the fins are. And when I'm drawing this, I might start with the face, or I might put in all the fins and start with the body. You know, it's however my mind is gravitating at that moment. So there's not a real reason why you should do step by step by the body and the eyes, you know, and so forth. But wherever your imagination and your creativity is flowing, let it flow. That's the key thing. Work with what you have in your imagination. So as you see, I'm putting some little texture tones to the fins right now. Give them a little shading on there, little speed lines there. There we go. All right, let's get a little bit darker here and there with some of the areas then, and fine tune this little guy up. Get the fin on the bottom. Looking good. Let's get that secondary one down there. These are like the small navigational fins for them. So if you haven't checked it out, you got to check out my fan page on Facebook. That's FriendFish. And you can see that we have over 150,000 fans worldwide right now. But this is turning into a cartoon series that we're working on, our pilot. We have comic strip products out there. So check out friendfish.biz as well. You might get a kick out of some of the stuff that we're currently working on. All right, so as you can see here right now with our little character, and now I'm just adding some more details into the actual fish, the fins right now. And building that up, that's looking good. So since he's underwater, he likes to blow bubbles, of course. So let's add a couple bubbles, and randomly I place them here and there throughout the actual drawing. So small, big, overlapping sometime. All right, so let's create some of the texture on the bottom. All right, so let's create some quick little seaweed, and however it flows, it's just straight, quick lines. This is just to give a basic background. All right, that's looking good. A couple of foreground big ones, and then super big ones in the back there. All right, that's looking good. I put like a little tear mark on there. All right, let's get a little bit rougher than okay, there we go. Let's get some coral reef. There we go. Just little ones here and there when they're forming. They're little incy teeny whiny little coral reef. These are just the little structures. And I put some in the background. If they're small, big here and there in the background, I'm going to shade those in the back there like they're running all through the background. There you go. Okay, that's looking good. All right. So as always I say, make sure you sign and date. And thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.